Yeah, man, big up to Batondy. Guys, the proud ones on the quickly like your Zeeflims HBmedia, yeah, whatever that name is. Be Pride, Bomb Entertainment. I see a lot of guys doing good car music, so, you know, so I was not but we need to celebrate. So man, I've seen the great work happen, you know, and then as one of the people that started this shit long time ago, years ago, one of the new generation taking over, it always comes with pride, man, or yo, man. And I'm see if I'm no longer that involved, Mara. They're doing all the right stuff. You should expect some new stuff because we're working on a lot of good stuff. Is happening. We're doing what we gotta do. Yeah, man. From the long talk we had, Namajita and everyone, VENRAP is coming back full time right now. I'm gonna be putting out a lot of work, reinvesting on the whole project because we kinda, yeah, man, we kinda stopped because the system changed. A lot of things happened, a lot of shit happened. I'm sorry, I like to say shit, nigga shit. Yeah, but yeah, man, a lot of shit happened and I kind of like, fuck it, I didn't want to do it anymore. But yeah, man, I'm back again. VENRAP Radio, the #1 hip-hop radio station in SA. Angamba's Nebamba, award-winning radio station. But yeah, man, we're coming back. We're doing it non-stop. We've been bringing a lot of people back on board, man. I miss my crew, so we're bringing them back and we're going to be working. Look out for the table or tafurani. This is the higher table. Yeah, man, we're going to be talking a lot of things. We're going to be pushing a lot of things. We're going to have a lot of, yeah. But today, we out here. What a guy, Hamanenje. We're going to shoot a music video. Mureba, ne? Yeah, man, yeah. It's crazy. I got my crew out here. And we're doing it, man. We're doing it. Kola Mureba right there. You know what I mean? Kola Mureba. Man, the guy's doing good, man. You see even the way I'm running. I like that dressing because, come on, let's drop this bullshit. You know, but I like that top, man. I'm putting on those bands. Fuck, never. I took on but I like the jacket, man. The jacket is dope. So, nigga can rock. Yeah. So, jacket I want in a swagger. In a woman, Jabangomu. In a pantula. Pako daw na mga pendam romo nga mga simba nefa. Uko video nga baby nga pala uki hasbi. So so like I said, guys, look out for the big shit. What we're about to do right now. I'm not gonna take over what the boys are doing. I'm just gonna be on the sideline doing what I love to do. Back on the radio, pushing what I gotta push, guys. Whoever still have a beef and is trying to beef and like they've always do, they always have issues. As Yambi Nicks, to me, you know. Man, I'm not here to fight. I'm not here to start a beef. I'm just telling you, every time we come around them and yeah, man, come on, everybody knows he's my brother. But yeah, VENRAP Radio, I'm back again.